All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for January 23rd, 2023 to January 27th, 2023. So just a reminder, Monday there are no live classes. It's a teacher grading day. And then I do have office hours again on Friday from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So welcome to quarter three, week one here. Monday, your homework is the project, the quarter two survey. Tuesday, you'll look at the lesson social learning with the key terms social learning, Latin learning, cognitive map, modeling, behavior modification, and token economy. Wednesday in live class, 2 p.m. to 2:30, we will identify how we learn through social learning and observing others around us with the CYU social learning. Thursday, you'll have the quiz on learning, and then Friday, back in live class, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., we will review the quiz and discussion board on learning with the homework there, the discussion board learning style. So I hope you all have a great week. Let me know of any questions.